Hey everyone, I'm just tuning in with you. I am just heading out of Cranbrook right now on my way to, I'll be stopping out in Fernie. I'm going to do a little bit of clips there. There's supposed to be some nice sights around there to see. And then I will be continuing probably to Edmonton. And then tomorrow I'll go from Edmonton to Lloydminster. I did, however, take a look at the motorhome last night and today. It looks amazing. It's in like pristine condition. So yeah, I'm gonna have a nice 40-year-old baby just like me. We're gonna travel the world together. I'll be picking that up probably the end of next week, and then I'll be heading back to the island. So that's kind of my standing plan right now. I'll do any videos that I can along the way to Edmonton here. I believe there is quite a bit of snow that is hit out there, so I might be doing some videos of that. I haven't actually seen snow since last year, so I do love snow. I do love winter. That was kind of about the only thing I loved about Saskatchewan was the snow and playing in the snow. Every year I would make snowmen, but I hope that I will get that a little bit on the island. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'll do some more clips again like I have been on the entire trip of, what it's looking like on the road from Cranbrook to Fernie, Fernie to Edmonton, Edmonton to Lloydminster. Any little sights that I come across while I'm driving, I'll share those with you. And I was going to do a video of the motorhome. I decided I'm going to make you guys wait. You're going to have to wait till I actually have it in my possession, and then I'll do a video for you. So that'll be coming up in the future. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe and like button, and keep following me because my journey's not over. So you can keep continuing to travel along with me. Out of Fernie at the moment. As you can see from the video there, it is definitely starting to look a lot more like Alberta. Mountains are further apart, not quite as tall, a lot more flat roads, not so much of the mountain climbing, basically following a river. And yeah, so I've never actually been to Fernie, so I don't actually know what Fernie looks like, but I know that it is a big ski snowboard resort town, so I'm kind of excited to check it out and share that with you guys. Hey, so there wasn't really too much that I found to check out here around Fernie right now. I'm thinking it's probably a lot nicer to come here when it's actually like winter and you can go skiing and snowboarding. So I might have to make another trip down here at some point and hit up those mountains. I don't actually know how to snowboard, but I have a van friend that is going to teach me. So yeah, so Ashley, if you're out there, hello, I can't wait till you get to BC. She is on her way here, I think as I speak right now, but yeah, so we're gonna get some snowboarding on this winter, and I'm pretty pumped about that.